is. Skip count by fives to paste them in order in the blank spaces to make a picture.
In this lesson, we will learn how to skip count by fives.
Let's do skip counting by fives on a number line. Starting from number 0, we skip numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and land on 5. Again, we skip numbers 6, 7, 8, 9, and land on 10. Similarly, we skip numbers every time and land on 15, 20, 25, and 30. All right, you've learned how to skip count by fives on a number line. Now, let's count by fives to know how many cookies are there. 5, 10, 15, 20. So, there are 20 cookies.